By now you should be more familiar with how to do gradient, so I'm going to go a little bit faster. This is for example 12.4.4, question B. Now, gradient CD. So first step, always write down what is your x1, y1 and what is your x2, y2. So let x1, y1 be point C, let x2, y2 be point D with the coordinates, okay? Then first step, gradient CD, write down formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you have y2 is actually 4, so 4 minus 10 over 8 minus 2. Okay, so y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, and you will have, when after that solve it, you get negative 6 over 6, which is negative 1. Alright, moving on to E. So always the same steps again. Find out, write down what are your x1, y1, what is your x2, y2. Okay, so it's h and m. Then next step, write down the formula. Actually, don't need the brackets. Alright, so you have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You have 9 minus 5, 3 minus 3. Now, you'll realize that you get 4 over 0. So if you key inside this your calculator, you should get an error. So it means it's undefined. That means you cannot find anything for the gradient. Just leave it as undefined. That is your answer for E. So in other words, this is actually, if you take note of this, your x is equal to 3. So this is actually a vertical line. Okay, we'll just show you very quickly your y, x, okay, and 0. So this is actually your line, and this is your vertical line which has no gradient. The gradient is considered as undefined. Okay, I'll move on to the next question, which is F. Okay, for F in this case, again, repeated steps. Let x1, y1 be Q, let x2, y2 be R. Okay, then again, you need to write down the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you have 2 minus 2 and then over 7 minus negative 9. Okay, here you get a gradient to be 0. So how does this line actually look like such that the gradient is 0? You realize the y value is actually 2. Okay, so it's just a horizontal line 2. So this horizontal line is the line which gradient is 0. Okay, so that's all for example 12.4.4.